Today, we will demonstrate the replacement of the SUP23T focusing lens. Loosen the fixing screw. Remove the dust cover. Pull out the focusing mirror drawer, covered with masking paper to prevent ash from entering. Rotate to remove the compression ring. Perform focus lens replacement. Pay attention to the lens plane facing up when installing. The replacement is complete. Lock the compression ring. Put the focusing mirror drawer back into the mirror compartment. Put back the dust cover. Lock the fixing screws.